Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are manually typing every trade while the market is moving fast, you are probably missing opportunities. That's why advanced traders use limit orders and trading presets. In this video, I will show you how to set them up inside your trading terminal so your trades can be executed quickly and more efficiently. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined the trade Padder terminal, you can use our referral code CryptoWhale so that you can save big transaction fees. You can also check for our referral link which is available into the description of the video for sign up purposes so that you can save your transaction fees like gas fees. So let's get back to the video. So basically, what is limit order? Limit order lets you choose the exact price where you want to buy or sell a token. Instead of buying at the current price, you tell the system only execute my trade when the price reaches this level. Let's suppose we open this any of the token here. Okay, so this is the interface of this token. As you can see that there is a buy section and the sell section here. So here's a simple example. Let's say a token is trading at $1. You believe the price might drop first, so you could place a limit buy order at 80 cents. Okay, so if the price reaches that level, the order automatically executes that. Okay, and you can use the limit order in this section. Okay, so step one, open the trading panel. To place a limit order, first open the token page inside your trading terminal. Here you will see the trading panel where you normally place buy and sell order. So step 2, select limit order. Instead of choosing normal market order, select limit order. Okay, so now you can enter the price you want, the amount you want to trade, confirm the order, and that's it. So what are sniper presets? Presets are simply save trading settings. Instead of typing the same values every time, you can save your preferred settings in advance. You can check this here. Okay, so if you click on this option, you will get this preset as it is mentioned is Solana presets. Here you can set up your preset for the buyer settings as well as for the sell setting. You can create preset for things like trade amount, slippage level, priority fee. Then when you want to place a trade, you simply click the preset instead of filling everything manually. Okay, so why presets are useful? That's a question that might be appearing in your mind. So the answer is presets help traders act faster and avoid mistakes. They also make your trading process more consistent. Okay, so before moving further into the video, if you haven't joined this platform, you can use our referral code CryptoWhale, which is being displayed on the screen, and you can save bit transaction gas fees on with using our referral link or our referral code. Referral link is available in the description of the video. So here's a beginner tip. If you are new to trading terminal, start with simple presets. For example, small trade size, moderate slippage, and reasonable priority fee. Okay, so limit order and presets are simple tools, but they can make your trading process much smoother. If you want more tutorials on trading terminals and crypto tools, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.